In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Skyscanner API key in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate Skyscanner's capabilities into your application, or you're curious about exploring the wealth of travel data Skyscanner offers, getting your own API key is a straightforward process, and I'll be guiding you through it step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This is where your journey to acquiring your API key begins. Once you've done that, the next task is to search for the Skyscanner API developer documentation website. This site is a treasure trove of technical details and guides on how to use their API effectively. After entering your search, you'll be greeted by a variety of results. You want to zero in on the first link that appears. It usually is the most relevant and will take you directly to the necessary part of the Skyscanner website. Go ahead and click on it. This link will lead you to the comprehensive resources Skyscanner provides for developers, where you'll be able to delve deeper into the steps needed to apply for your API key. Upon reaching the Skyscanner developer documentation site, you'll want to locate the section titled Authentication, or it might be called Getting Started. Essentially, this section is the gateway to everything you need to know about initiating your API journey with Skyscanner. It's a well-organized guide and will lay out the initial steps needed to gain access to their services. As you explore the Authentication or Getting Started section, you'll soon encounter a link or perhaps detailed instructions on how to submit an application to their partnerships team. It's an important step because this application will require you to provide certain information about your project. You should be prepared to describe the purpose of your project, the way you plan to utilize the API, and include a brief overview of your business model. This might seem a bit daunting, especially if you're eager to get started, but understanding this helps Skyscanner ensure that their API is used in alignment with their business goals and standards. Once you've submitted your application, you'll need a bit of patience. The Skyscanner team will take the time necessary to review it thoroughly. If everything aligns well and your application is successful, they'll get in touch with you. They'll provide further instructions on how to obtain your API key and any additional information on how to effectively use their API resources. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to acquiring your Skyscanner API key, opening the door to access a broad range of travel data and planning tools that can enhance your application. Remember, unlocking the power of the Skyscanner API is just the beginning of building a robust, travel-focused application or service. Good luck. Good.